Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am unboxing an iPad, an Apple Pencil Pro and some accessories related to iPad. So we bought this iPad from Apple website, the iPad and the pencil, and for the iPad case and the screen protector I ordered from Amazon. Here my husband is trying to get some cinematic footage. So this is an iPad Pro 11-inch which has M4 chip, which is the latest one I believe, and it has 256 GB storage. The total price was $899 originally, and I had like education saving which was $100 off on the original price. So the total for the iPad was $799, and in addition to that I also got one $100 gift card which I reinvested in the Apple Pencil. So the Apple Pencil was of total $120 or something with tax and all the additional money, and so after deducting the $100 gift card I only had to pay like $20. So yeah, I was not an iPad girl, but earlier I was using a Mac that I borrowed from the LSU library when I was there. But after I finished my master's, I don't have a personal Apple laptop, what is called Mac, and I only had my iPhone with me to edit my videos. But shifting from editing in a big screen to a small screen, it was hard. So yeah, I wanted to get something bigger. So my brother and everyone suggested me to buy an iPad, and I think it was a good investment because I have been using this for like some months now, and it is so much easier to edit the videos and do other stuff in the iPad. So yeah, I'm happy about it.